Hello everyone, I'm Dennis, and today we're looking at the Mexican Canyon Railroad Trestle, built in the late 1800s. It was a long railroad that was built through to get the trains through the Sacramento Mountains here, and it had to be a very dangerous and a lot of lives lost building this through the mountains. So anyway, we're taking some pictures of it today. We're going to be using my Ikonta 524-2 and with my exposure meter. The Ikonta is a 6x9 picture, and it uses 120 film, so you get 8 pictures to a roll of 120. Come on, quit moving around, just take the picture. Let's go. We got things to do. People don't want to just be seeing you move around. Take the picture. Take the picture. All right, find the film, let's get going. So here we have coming up some pictures that were taken with the Ikonta. This one here I included. I don't know what caused that exposure. I have no idea. This is just a picture of a mountain scenery. And so we'll move on. Stop by this spot here. Took some 4x5s and took some 6x9s with the Ikonta. And a pretty nice spot. Gets a lot of traffic here. That's beautiful, beautiful place. You can see out the white sands dunes. So I took some pictures with the Intrepid. We will try to get those developed tonight. I've been driving around a lot today. Got some good pictures, some great pictures here. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you could, hit the subscribe button and hit the like. It would be greatly appreciated. Hey, grab your camera, some film, get out and take some pictures. See you in the next video.